What's up, everybody? Joe from Joe's Golden Garage. Day after Thanksgiving, I have arranged a meeting of this pair. People seem to like the little comparison I did of the two 2006 LS 430s that I posted about a year ago. So I thought I would bring my aunt's 2010 ES 350, better known as the Beater Lexus, on my channel, to meet my mother's 06 LS 430, which is the garage queen with only 88,000 and some change miles. This one has 165. It's a 2010. 88,000 2006. But man, both of them are the best running and driving cars, and I still, even though I know everyone loves this one the most, to me the ES drives the best. It just seems a little lighter on its feet, a little quicker. I think I dare to even say this, but I think I like the front wheel drive better. I know I should, be sent to the depths of hell for saying that I'd like a front wheel drive better than rear drive. I don't know. Both cars are unique in their own way, and they both drive really well. I drove my mom's to Florida and back last month. So comfortable. I mean, it was just a great trip, and you get 25-26 miles per gallon. But the 2010 ES is very sprightly and fun to drive around town. And of course, it's a little smaller car, so therefore it just, I don't know, they both just have their own little personality. Let's do a startup of each. You can see this car is in tremendous condition, which I've reported in past videos. Now, this car does have the smart key system, which was like $1,000 option back in 06, but the battery is dead in this key I have, so I have to actually insert the key. And it's hard to do, especially with my shaky ass hands. It's been giving me a hard time. I'll be right back. Sorry for that shaky shit show. Anyway, I finally got it in. It took 2 damn hands to do. This car is needing its oil change. The maintenance reminder is on, and it needs a new cabin filter. So the Lexus nanny is reminding us of things here. Semi-cold start. I had to drive it over from my mom's house to here, which is about 2 miles away. Oh yeah. Francois. Come on. Notice how this is in such good condition. If you're looking at used LS's and they have the navigation, this is so scratched up on the ones you find for sale. And that's what makes this one so nice. The seats. It stayed in the garage most of its life. Anyway, let's pop the hood. Oh, let's get a little rev. Pop the hood and compare the two. This, of course, is the 4.3 V8 producing 290 horsepower and plenty of torque. I can't remember the number, but just smooth as always. Very little vibration. I'll just go ahead and pop the hood on this one. It's not running, but we'll crank it up. Now this one has almost twice the miles the 06 has. And this one is a little bit more ratty. But I bought it that way. But it was, man, it's a hell of a runner and a driver. Now this has push to start, and it works. I have the key in my pocket. Just press. This is a cold start. Almost 166,000. Let me do that again so you can see the navigation intro. There you go. A little more updated unit there. Even though this one is a little more used and ratty, it still just runs like a champ. I mean, like a champion. Just raring to go, buddy. The Toyota 3.5. This one may have a hint more vibration. I'm sure the motor mounts are just a little more worn out. But listen how quiet. I hear just a little bitty squeaky sound coming from maybe a belt. Uh-oh, she's missing her cover there for her battery. There's supposed to be a plastic cover. Oh, there it is. Somebody did not put it back in place. So we'll do that. Seems like it might be broken. Yeah. She runs great. Dual exhaust. Dual exhaust. Just a little bit of, it's kind of a cool morning, so a little bit of condensation coming off the tailpipes there. Man, that sounds good too. That sounds good too. They both run good. This one's just a touch quieter. And there you have it, folks. Both are 6-speed automatics, but they are not the same transmission. The front-wheel drive ES. The front-wheel drive ES 6-speed automatic, of course, is a different transmission because it's made to fit the front-wheel drive cars, where the V8 uses a much larger transmission for the rear-wheel drive configuration. Yeah, this runs great. Love both these cars. If I had to choose, it would probably be the ES, just because of, I don't know, it's just a little smaller, a little sharper design. Now, I like the 2010 to 2012 ES because there was an exterior update, you know, new grille, few exterior features, new wheels. Seemed like they did something a little different with the mirrors, and of course the tail lights are different. It's just a little mild little update, but I really like it. This car's in much better shape, though. Cosmetically. God, that thing's smooth, too. Damn, it's hard to pick one. Hard to pick one, folks. But anyway, I just wanted to do just a little side-by-side of the two. And y'all have a wonderful Friday. And we'll see you next time. Like, subscribe, comment, please. Thank you. Have a great day. Peace.